my Singapore vlog. I'm currently doing my makeup. Morning everyone. I've done my makeup, I've done my hair, and I'm ready to go. Ready to start the day. Went to the theater early to get the tickets for later tonight. On the way to get breakfast, intrigued by the escape room. They got empty seats. Getting breakfast here. Done eating and we're heading to New Bahru. There'll be a 20 minutes walk. Heading out, looking at jewelry. We're going there. This mall used to be a school and they refurbished it into a mall, which is kind of cool. Tallest floor, 5th floor. I'm out of work because we took the stairs. There's a pottery place called the Potter's Guild. We're not on the 2nd floor. There's not much at the photography exhibition. Buying cold drinks because it's super hot outside. We're off heading to the art exhibition, Singapore Art Museum, the new one. We're off to Singapore Art Museum, or SAM. It's a new art museum here in town. Got the tickets. Shades of time, narrative, landscaping, flights of fancy, looks, experience, texture, types, setting, types, and Roman, and laid out utilizing Microsoft Word. You guys should screenshot this and see where the QR code takes you. We left the art museum and we're on the way to MBS. Marina Bay Sands, here we go. The Merlion's way over there. The Art Science Museum is over there. Apple Center is there. Look at the view. We walked all the way from way over there to here. The Singapore Flyer, Art Science Museum, Marina Bay Sands, the Apple Center, the LV, they're way over there. It's like the Chicago bin, but make it Singapore. Don't jump. Walking towards the hotel. We still have to catch an MRT or a bus.
Change at the next station for the Thompson East Coast Line or Northeast Line.
It's already dark. We're heading to the show theaters. We're at the theater getting McDonald's and then we're gonna watch Superman. I got Jumbo Chili Crab sauce.
That's not really.
Just finished watching Superman. We're gonna go meet up with my aunt and then head back to the hotel. It's almost midnight and I'm super tired and my eyes are dry as. We're heading back to the hotel. I won't be filming anymore because I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow.